Due to Corona, we haven't left Denmark yet, so we sail around the country enjoying the nature. In this episode we go on the heart and we visit a few places in Jylland. On our way from Sjællands Odde, on our way to EU. We stayed here a few days waiting for the weather to be better in Kattegat, and now it looks okay. Goodbye Sjællands Odde! See you in maybe 5 years or so. So it's lunchtime. Torben is sailing the most comfortable way he knows. And we have Karina making the sandwiches for the kiddos. Sebastian. Isabella.
Når man så ikke har flere kort i bunken, så tager man de her kort. Ja, det er 3, 2, 1.
Og der er selvfølgelig også nogle fine.
Jo, godt.
Så de store skib på, ikke?
Jeg har gået rundt.
Der er noget roligt vand lige på den anden side. Det er hvor de mødes. Strømmene.
You can kind of see where the two waters meet, where the current underneath goes. There's like a line in the water. Vi er her om et par timer. En aflang grøn.
Ja, du bare lige slikker den først.
The wind picked up and we were able to gain a lot more speed, and so we went from comfy calm sailing to more fun race sailing speed. We like both types of sailing, and we know Evu can take a lot more rough weather than we can. Sebastian is sleeping under there somewhere. I just checked, he fell asleep. It is a little bit rolly right now, or bumpy might be the better word. The waves are picking up.
Want a cookie? She was sleeping, so she's tied up.
After storm comes calmer weather, and after the rain comes sunshine again. Nature is beautiful in all its colors, and we're blessed with a double rainbow and an amazing sunset the last few miles before EU. You know a good crew member on her preparation skills. Oh, it gives me a bit of a stomach ache. Pretty nervous. Don't like it when she's out of the water. We are in EU Marina to take Evie on the heart for a few days. We need to paint the bottom and look over a few things. Originally, we had planned to do this in France before we entered the Mediterranean, But plans seem to change a lot these corona days. Just doing a quality control checkup of Torben's work. It needs to be done sometimes. He's a guy.
Want to get a flashback? Those of you who follow our videos know last time we had the boat up, I was having the exact same on the other side. This time it's on the starboard side. We didn't fix it last time, so we have the opportunity now.
At least this time you know what it is.
As Karina yells, I know what it is. So this is not that bad. But there was some water inside, so I need to break this down.
Nice job.
Trying to clean it?
Yeah.
Kind of difficult?
Yeah, it's difficult to clean off the old paint and the barnacles and everything. We cleaned the hull and Torben is just grinding away like the worst parts. We're going to give a little bit of epoxy primers, some places where the paint haven't lasted, and then we're going to paint everything again. So a little bit of grinding and then a lot of painting. I love seeing other people work. It's awesome. I love having my sister aboard. She's a hard worker. Just painting the anchor chain so that for every 5 meters there's this blue stripe, so that when we drop the anchor we can see exactly how much anchor chain we got out. Nej, det gider vi simpelthen ikke. Forsamling af roer nede under båden. And after 2 days on the hard, with lots of grinding, painting and polishing, she's going back in her right element.
Bye bye, EO. Thank you for this time.
From EO, we did a really quick 2-hour stop in Aarhus, just to pick up a friend who is sailing with us for a few days. Again, the wind is perfect, and we are cruising around 8 knots. It's really fun sailing when there's no waves and lots of wind. We sailed to Juelsminde, where we stayed 1 night, and when we visit marinas, we try to stay at the boat and not interact with the people there, and we don't go sightseeing as much as we usually would because of corona.
Hej René. Hej. Der er liv i den.
It's alive!
It's alive. And the sun. The sun's almost alive.
Sunrise sailing is the best. We often start early, and the bonus to that is the beautiful sunrises we get to see, and it puts us in a good mood for the day. We have been lucky with the weather since we left EO with lots of sunshine.
Hello.
Isabella! Hello! We are enjoying the nice weather, sailing in Lillebælt, yeah. And we are on the lookout for guinea pigs. I'm not sure it's called guinea pigs. It's what's it called? In Danish it's called guinea pigs, but it's, you know, the fish type, the tiny type of dolphin, the Danish type of dolphin. Not sure what the name is, but they're cute. need a 5-meter berth to dock, and that is often difficult to find in Danish marinas. Therefore, we sometimes send the tender in advance to locate a nice spot for us, especially when we're entering a big harbor like Kolding with more than one marina. Thanks for watching. See you next time.